You see, come a little closer to me. It's the roller coaster. Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive, I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere.
No, babe. Too much sun there right now.
Alright, we could go over this one. You're not cool.
Alright, here you come.
I wanted you to stay with me wherever you go. I can't pretend it. Don't understand this is something that's not. You got me locked on your love like a drug.
Sweet up your mouth with this.
Marlon, you know, so from the other day, I pure sweet things again.
Because they're sweet. So, sweet for my sweets.
Hear you with your sweet mouth.
Thank you.
Babe, you know you can actually put on your bag like nobody never take it.
Alright. But you know why I'm always have it close to me, right?
Yeah, but no, but I believe we're safe right here, so. Yeah, good.
You're right.
So all the bookings are gone.
You know, so you were right. Getting somebody to deal with the administration just made a big difference. Yo, the business turn up.
I did tell you.
Since you buy the bus, oh wow, make a big difference.
I did tell you. You have to think big.
True. Me understand.
Ready for more?
Are you my weapon?
Oh, for real?
Yes, Marlon.
How was it?
Good, but I prefer your cooking.
Perfect answer.
I know so the food good. Cause me eat here already.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bubbles scare me come here a couple times.
Okay, but I'm sure you never get this funny menu before.
No? This new.
Well, it's not a part of the menu, you know. But just ask my chef Virgin for those do something personally for me.
Really?
Yeah, I'm a virgin. I tell him say, oh, me and wife here apart. And he asks me what you like, so I just eat something bad.
Aw, babe. You do that for me?
Of course, T. What hours I eat at the house? Someone just want to do something different.
You don't prefer good home cooked meal, right?
Yeah, babe, I know, but every now and then, we can go out to have a good meal.
Me and I have no problem with that.
Here you go, Morgan.
Thank you.
Cheers to the new partnership.
May it be long and fruitful.
Awesome. Put on this.
Yeah. Babe, I realize it's a month now we're not going to the office. What happened?
Bubbles have me do community project, so I'm out of the office for a while.
What kind of projects?
Just for help highlight talent in their community and give them a chance to express themselves.
So the youngsters them come out?
Some of them and some shy. And some of them feel like them can't go make it through the arts.
Maybe because the money not good?
The money can be good if them good.
Maybe because they want rich right away?
That's why some of them get into the scamming lifestyle and not try with them talent.
You can't wrong them in a babe because it's wicked out on the street.
And it wickeder in a prison or underground.
That's true still. But the generation will just not take no talk.
We have to try and talk to them. Because of our generation. If them ever listen to anybody, are we them ever listen to?
You're really passionate about this though.
Because me could have been one of them. And somebody try to help me. So me want to do the same.
I'm proud of you, you know.
I'm proud of you too.
So I want to plan to tell the daughter.
About what? About business arrangement? And I need to tell her that I'm a big woman.
I not talk about that. Me I talk about me and you. It's nearly a month now.
Marlon, we need to focus on the business side of things, right? Because we don't even know where that part they are going yet.
You mean you don't know?
No bother with that. Because you don't know either.
Maureen, you can't tell me no know, you know.
Marlon!
Alright. That's good.
So, oh mom, how long time I see her?
Look like she vexed with me.
For what you do?
Why am me after do something? I could have she.
T, what you do?
Me not do nothing. Really? Alright. Me tell her I say me not trust the man when I see her a fool around.
A man was she a fool around? You mean somebody she get involved with?
Yeah, she claim for see her business. But it look more than that.
I don't mean to sound so harsh, but really need to take it slow in that department there, alright?
I not pressure you, Maureen, but wait for you though.
Just want to make sure me not make a bad decision again. Because enough of them I make already.